You see that the page, there is hello, what is the number, and find out button in here. And there is the build function, my home page, stateless widget. You see the function. We have text in here, homework 2, and here at the column there's a main axis size max to position the widgets to top, and we have widgets inside it. Hello, what is the number? And we have elevated button with on pressed is empty now. It's inside it. It has find out text in here. These parts are classical things like you see the changes in here. I changed the main axis size min with the main axis size max. I created this part and you see the same change in here. To make it at the top, I changed the main axis size min, and this is the last part. And you see the other task. We have number finder in here. Number finder was stateless widget, but we changed its stateful widget, and it has create state, and also it has inside int number as a default -1, and it has finder number function, and it has set state in it. We created a number between 10 and 100. We have elevated button on it, and we added on pressed finder number, so it creates the numbers, random numbers when we clicked it. We did it like this. With that, we created a number, and we show the changed numbers when we click the find out button. It's in here. You see, and when we click it, the number is changing. And you see the local history in here. I've made a few changes. I changed the elevated button as a number finder. You see in here. Number finder, and number finder stateful widget is coming in here, and its functions is coming. You see the change time. And it goes like this. We added on pressed finder number function. And this is the final part, task 2. You see that the task 3 in here. In here, this part is the same, but in here we add single child scroll wheel to make it scrollable, and we added main axis alignment center to center the widgets between them. In onPress button, we have separate operator with for loop. We created 100 children widgets with a column, what is the number, and below that we added number finder 100 times. This area is exactly the same with the task 2. When we click the buttons, the number is changing and it's scrollable the whole page. You see that. You see the local history in here. I change this part. These are the same. In this part, you see I remove the alignment. I removed the cross-axis alignment. I made it main axis alignment center. You see the other changing in here. I tried to make it as simple as possible. In task 4, you see the page. When I click it, the numbers is changing. You see it in here. This part is exactly the same with the others. There's no changing in here. In here, we added the homework too. In this part with cone, we added colored box with the color red. It has alignment top left to make it aligned to the left with text top. With the expanded widget, it has a column and again expanded in here to make it flex, and the other expanded in here. You see the areas. The first one, it's with the flex tool. It has a separate and for operation, and it creates 100 widgets with the button, and it's scrollable. You see the single child scroll wheel, and the other expanded areas with flex one you see is smaller than the other part, and it has light blue accent color with the center. I added these parts to make it in the center, main axis alignment center and main axis size mean, to make it the button at the center, and it has number finder widget in here to change the number, and at the bottom it has again colored box with the text aligned to the left, and this area is the same. You see the other ones are the same with the task 4. There is no change in the number finder stateful widget. It creates the numbers with 10 to 100. and you see my local area. Firstly, I try to create with it layout builder because I couldn't do it with a single child scroll wheel easily. You will see my changes in here. I try to make it with max height, and also I trying to split it in here and try to use list view builder, but it was too complicated, so I changed it again to my base code. When I tried to use layout builder, I couldn't scroll the page, and you see my some of the changes in here. I removed the layout builder